Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, Gemini. So these are for your daily energies, Gemini. Sorry guys. For your career situation and love energy, we'll be picking one card each from the other deck. So this is for your career, I'll keep it here, and this is for your love energy, guys. I will keep this card here, and one card from the oracle guidance deck. So that will be a general guidance, what we can follow every day to have that balance in our life, guys. Balance and harmony no matter what our situation is. So first, for our daily energy, Gemini, let us see what are these cards. It's Four of Pentacles in reverse, Knight of Cups, and Nine of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, you are a person who follows your dreams and you have your intuition guiding you today, and you know what you need to do. You are a very honest and faithful person, a loyal person. So in your career, whatever dreams or whatever intentions you have about your work, you relate that in your work, in your actions, and the same way in your personal life too. You are faithful and loyal to this person, and if you go in that particular way, have that honesty in this connection, and if you follow your heart, have that intuition guiding you in your personal life, you will surely taste success. That is what I see here, guys. So you are marching towards that greater progress in life today, Gemini. So whatever your situation is, you are progressing towards success. You have that determination to progress towards success, but you may be seeing some delays or some situation, people or circumstances opposing you, creating certain obstacles in your path. But you have that determination in your heart of hearts. You have that willpower and strength to take up that path and see to it that you reach that success. That is also what I see here. And in your work situation, things are going well. You have a great advantage in your position today. You are working with true intentions, hard work. You are doing that hard work, and you will be reaching success, Gemini. In your career, you are having positive progress in your work, and maybe certain obstacles are there, but you are progressing. You are trying your level best in your career or in your personal life. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini, for your general reading. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. These cards must be read straight, guys. It's Two of Air. So with this card, I see here that you are seeing some obstacles in your career situation, guys. Some uncertainty you are seeing today in your career. So you are just taking time, maybe considering your options, what you need to do, and taking a break. Maybe you are just waiting for how things are going to unfold. So when you wait, your highest good will come towards you voluntarily, guys. So you have to take time and remain peaceful. That is what I see here with this card for your career situation, guys. So maybe it is time for patience, not action. So you have to see how things are proceeding in your career before taking that next step forward. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. it's 3 of fire. With this card for your relationship, guys, maybe if you are already in a connection with this person, you are with the right person, you are experiencing that happiness and compatibility, harmony in this connection, guys. But if you are open to a new relationship, if you are waiting for somebody new coming your way, you are seeing many people interested in you, or you may be interested in many people, and you are making your choice, taking that time and making that choice with that person with whom you feel that you have a greater potential for that deep connection. So you are just thinking within yourself about the right person you need to choose for yourself, and you know in your heart of hearts who will be the apt choice to bring that harmony in your life today. So you are just waiting for that right person in your life to come your way. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, Gemini. And Gemini, you are having opportunities, lots of opportunities in your personal life to meet new people and maybe interesting people. So that is also what I see here, guys, with this card for your relationship. Let us see what is the card for your oracle guidance. Clean it up. So with this card in your situation today, guys, this is a general guidance what we can follow every day to make things go in a much balanced and harmonious way, guys. So this card just means that we have to give up that clutter or clear that clutter or the baggage that we have, emotional baggage in our situation. So when we are in that relationship, when we love that person truly, maybe in the past we would have some quarrels or arguments with them, but for love we can give all that negative emotions that has caused. So when we give up that baggage, we will feel fresh, guys, and we will feel renewed, and we will be able to relate better with them, and we will be able to have that positive vibration in this connection. Or it may be something with your past person, all that hurtful memories, whatever baggage you are carrying with you emotionally, which is burdening your memories, you need to give that up. And the same way in your career situation also, you have to clear the clutter, guys. So the simple things just like paying bills or opening mails or sorting things out, making a list, whatever it is, whatever simple things that you do in your work. So all that you need to do, because each and everything has an energy about it, guys. So the unwanted things that we hold in our house or in our mind or in our workspace, whatever it is, it creates a negative impact in our situation. So to avoid this negative energy, we have to clear the clutter. So when we clear this clutter, we will be able to overcome that negative energy, guys. So this card, the presence of this card also means that in our situation we are overwhelmed and we are overburdened in our situation. So that is the reason this card is there in this reading for us, guys. So you have to clear the clutter today, Gemini. When we do that, we will see success coming in our life, success in our career, success in our personal life, and we will have more positive vibration in our life with this card. That is what I see, guys, and that is the reading for you all, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.